time to react to, iKON came out with more music videos. I don't know what this is. Like, is this a whole, like, debut type of thing? Like, they're just doing music videos from their album or something? I don't know. But I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that because I love iKON. It's all good. So I did some research and I found out that, what's his name? Junhoe? Is it Juno or Junhoe? Junhoe? He was the maknae, but now he's not the maknae because that new guy, junhoe, is the maknae now, right? I think so. I'm very much excited for this. 1, 2, 3, play. Airplane. Airplane. Rated 12. It starts off with an airplane, of course. Okay, where are we going? Oh! B.I. Rapid! Oh! He's so sad! Oh, why are their outfits so good? Oh, they're in school? B.I. looks so pretty! Of course it has to be B.I. and Bobby. Don't tell me it's gonna be a love triangle thing. I'm not about that life. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, really? junhoe. I freaking love junhoe too. This is so chill, man. Why is this song so chill? That is so cute though, that friendship. Ugh! Ugh! Why? Bobby freaking laid down rapping, okay. This is that new guy. Why does he look so gangster in that? His hat. He looks so, like, typical to me. I don't know, like, very normal. How old? Oh, he's the maknae, isn't he? Shani. I forgot his name, that guy's name. Freaking, ugh. Why does junhoe have to have blonde hair and blue contacts? You don't stick out your tongue like that. God, outfit. Oh, this is gonna turn out bad. Oh my gosh, I don't know. You stop. You stop. What's that? Oh, this is getting awkward. Oh, I feel so bad. Get away! You know. You know. I forgot your name too. I love the outfit. What is that? She's leaving? Oh, she's leaving! Airplane. She didn't tell them? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be an airplane scene. Oh, I love the song though. Did junhoe even get lines? Don't tell me that is not the end. She just... Hold up a second. Okay! Nobody had a happy ending because obviously B.I. didn't make it in time to say goodbye to the girl, but what I don't understand is the girl, who did she like though? Who did she like though? Girl, you be playing with both of them. Friend-zoning them, but not friend-zoning them? Like, what? No. I mean, personally, you know, B.I. is my bias, maybe. I tend to lean towards B.I. But still, girl, and you didn't even tell him you were leaving. He had to find out by the freaking passport. Like, you didn't even have the nerve to tell him, hey guys, bye, I'm leaving, I'm gonna leave you, see ya, and I'm not gonna say bye. I am waiting to see, like, the hip-hop side of iKON, because I know Bobby and B.I. can go hardcore. Like, I don't know what kind of concept YG is going with all this. Like, I like my type, yeah, I like that. This song is really catchy too, but I feel like I need, like, you know, more. I'm glad this music video had a storyline though. We don't get that much in K-pop anymore. That was awesome. The outfits were awesome. I really want to see, like, more hardcore stuff coming from iKON, but we'll see. I don't know. Maybe not yet. Maybe soon. Yes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.